blinker did you put on then? You left or right?
Left.
Or just the right blinker went on?
My tyres look alright. I forgot to check the pressures. They're not flat at the bottom, are they?
No.
Alright, that'll do.
How you feeling?
Right.
Okay?
Nothing to do with being a
My back is a bit sore.
Is it? Well, we don't want to overdo it.
And here we are in Tarnagulla Post Office. The best toasties you'll ever have.
Let's go
and have a
let's
look.
go and try.
How are you?
Fresh.
Yeah, you've been out and nice. Wow, it is a fresh day today.
Beautiful day. Got a sweater. You're going too fast around the corners.
Oh, can't he? He's not one of these bikers that slow down on the corners. This is not on.
No, you don't do that. You
You've
kick
got to go
yourself.
fast around the corners.
You do.
That's how it works. Yeah. Always put your foot down on the corners.
He hasn't been well.
Oh shit, yeah. That's half the battle.
Oh, you're in the garden.
Yeah, in the sunshine.
Got a nice crop of oxalis there. Oxalis. That's this crap here.
That weed is.
Oh yeah. It's got a bulb on it like an onion.
What you got there? What you got there, Rich?
This is just a ham and cheese toasty.
Mm-hmm.
Actually melts in your mouth.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not even getting to chew it.
Yeah. What? How would on the scale of toasties 1 to 10? What would you rate that as?
I'd have to rate it as a 10.
10. You can't beat that, can you?
I'd give it an 11 if it was on a scale to 11. It's just the sort of place, nice and quiet, lovely locals, beautiful chef. Just the sort of place to stop in with your bike and have a bit of a spell.
Yeah. No, it's a nice little place. It's like a little ghost town.
Yeah.
A lot of history here, of course, with the gold mining and stuff.
But they don't really publicise. I don't think that's the first time I've seen the sign out the front of the place.
No, it's a little gem, it is. Coffee's terrific, the toasties are out of this world. That bread, the proprietor makes that bread herself. And yeah, look at that, fantastic. And I've got the beef one. Look,
I'm not going to touch it because you don't want it.
no, I'm taking.
You only want it touched by human hands.
I'm
don't you?
taking that home with me. I am. That other half, I can't. They're so big, I can't eat all that. And the cakes, well, we'll have to wait for the cakes and coffee, but
Cakes and coffee, yeah.
they're out of this world.
And seeing rain was forecast for today, I think we're going to get sunburnt instead.
Yeah. Yeah, no, look at that. Blue sky.
Weather Bureau right onto it. Rain every day this week and we've had none.
No. Well, I would say spring is in the air. That's what I would say. Spring is in the air. In fact,
Everywhere that we go.
correct me if I'm wrong, but I think today is the first day of spring. Going by the solar calendar. The 7th of August in the southern hemisphere, of course.
Right, your turn now. You're back on the bike. First time in how many months?
3 months.
3 months.
Yeah. Back on the little Honda 230. Nice little bike. And yeah, I find it a bit hard on the back because the roads are so rough. But no, it's great to be back on the bike again after all this time.
More of it.
Yeah. I have to see if I can get the GS 500 out next.
They're terrible bikes. They're dangerous.
Best bike ever made, in my opinion. And then work my way up to my Triumph Bonneville. So yeah,
Can't wait.
life's good.
So that's what gives it its gluten-free.
I ate one, it was lovely, and I'm going to take it back for the wife with my cakes.
Oh, beautiful, yeah. Good idea. Sorry about the wait on your coffee.
No, it doesn't matter, it's beautiful coffee. Everything you do is beautiful.
I'm doing a video for you.
Oh, hello.
You're going to be on YouTube. You're going to be
I'm
famous.
shy.
You're very busy after this.
I like the way she said that. I've got to get on now.
All right.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, have a good ride.
Yeah.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
On the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again.